Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about EverBee. So this video I will just showcase what EverBee is and just show you how you can use it and the two methods of how to actually go about using EverBee, because it does provide a browser experience as well as an extension experience that you can also experience. So this is going to be more towards beginners and people that are just getting started with EverBee. It's not going to tackle more advanced features. I'll show you the free features that you can use and how to actually use them and all those things. Now, EverBee is basically a platform that you can use for your Etsy platform. It's going to help you with your research. It's going to have multiple research tools, such as product database, where you can find out a lot of things about products, specific products if you want, as well as shops. You can track shops, see how they're doing, so you can track your competitors much easier. And this way is going to help you obviously improve your own Etsy product or store. So shops, products, how well they're doing, the competition on them, that kind of stuff, as well as some keywords. If you want to look up keywords and see which ones are good to use, which ones are not, EverBee also got you hooked up when it comes to that. So to get started, you simply just go to everbee.com and then you will find yourself here. By the way, EverBee does provide a free plan, but most of the good stuff is going to be behind a paywall. But that does not mean that the free plan is actually not good. So I'm going to show you the plans real quick. If we go to everbee.com, this is going to be the homepage where you will start your account here for free. It's not going to require a credit card or anything. It's absolutely for free to get started. And then obviously if you like it, that's when you upgrade. But if we go down to our plans here, we will find the three plans that they have. The hobby plan is going to be the free plan, which is going to give you limited product analytics. I think you get, don't quote me on this, but I think you get 10 searches a month for products as well as shops and stuff, quick sort ability, and advanced filters. So you get access to those with the free plan, which is kind of awesome. I think it's actually 10 searches a month, which can be good, but obviously you would go for growth or business plan, depending on which one you want. So you get product analytics with sales here and stuff. Here with the business, you get unlimited store connections, unlimited listings tracked across all shops, automatically scans your listings, and we've got plenty. I'm not going to compare everything here because this is not really what this video is about, but you can get to this page right here and see the plans for yourself and see which ones suit you best. But to get started, you just go to everbee.io, not .com. I think I said .com earlier. It's .io, and you just try for free. And then from there, you just connect your account and you're good to go. So once you're in this dashboard here, you've got a few things you need to do. If you go to your profile picture on the top right, you will find that you can turn to dark mode, which is just quality of life thing. But if you click on account here, and if we go to sales channels, this is where you will find it, but it will ask you to obviously connect to your shop. This you can do by, if you see the logo up top left, you will find connect your shop. You can just click on that, and then from here you can just connect your shop by granting access. If you are logged in, obviously if you're not, then you're going to need to log in into Etsy. But then you can see we've got this in front of us. Now, within the normal website here, you get the dashboard, you get the research tools, which are product analytics. This is going to be where we search for products. It's this one right here, this screen right here is going to be where we search for products and see things like shop name, price, which is important. And then you will also see monthly sales if you upgrade to growth, and revenue also monthly, total sales, and reviews. Reviews are for free. So you can see that right now. I do need to say that these sales numbers here. The monthly sales and revenue, they are approximate. They're not going to be exactly accurate when it comes to the numbers they give you, because there's no actual way of knowing exactly how much. So it's kind of approximate. And then we can also do filters here. We've got product name. We can include or exclude. So if you don't want specific things within the product name, you can just type over here. Same goes for shop name. And then we've got the price. Here you enter the minimum and maximum. Here you would prefer to go mid-range, really. It's really up to you. Price is not going to be something I can tell you, but sales, monthly sales is where you want to actually go a little bit high. This way you will like make sure the products are actually looked for. Same goes for reviews and revenue if you want to just guarantee it. So total sales and stuff. Okay, so here we finished off with the product analytics. You can also analyze by shop name here, where you can just search for a specific shop and it's going to give you the listings here. So if we go to a shop analyzer, it's the same one. And then we also go to the most, I'm not going to say most important one, but it's very, very important, which is the keyword research. Here is going to be where you type in a few keywords, products really. So if we just type in book stamp, for example, obviously it's going to be not good, but you can see it's just an example. So you can see keyword book stamp, you will see the volume. Volume is going to be the searches per month. Approximate, obviously, estimate. So you get 2,300 or 400, I should say, and then you would need to compare this, the volume, with the most important one, which is the competition. If the competition is too high, then you should not go for it. And if it's like this scenario here, we've got low volume when it comes to searches and high competition. So this tells you that you should never type this. And then you can view a few more that are going to be a little bit different with the same kind of meaning, and it's going to give you the best ones. Now, obviously, if you want to see more, you will need to upgrade to growth plan. So like I said, the free is just going to give you a taste of what to expect. So this is for the keyword research. It's very, very important, and it's going to help you a lot with your research, because you can just type in, obviously the book stamp example is very not good because no one is actually going to go for it. It's very wide and general. You would want to go for a more niche thing, and then you should find better results. It's not going to be as depressing as these results here. So keyword research, favorites, my listings, and Etsy calculator are going to be things specific to your Etsy shop. And then you can also favorite certain products or shops. Okay, so this is one way of actually going about EverBee. The other way, which is what most people use, is going to be adding a EverBee extension using this. You can just click on here, add to Chrome. It's free. You can just click on that and you can click on add to Chrome, and then you just give it a sec, where you will find this extension right here. Now you can add it to your browser by just going to your extension, looking up EverBee, and then you can just add it. And then we just wait a little bit. Now once it's done, we will be able to use our extension here with Etsy.com. So when we go to our Etsy.com and go to our extension, which is right here, EverBee, it's not Etsy, it's EverBee. So if we click on EverBee here, it's going to be enabled, and we can see the tags analytics, I guess. Nope, not that one. It should show up on the left. Hold on. Okay, my bad. I had it turned off. So if you click on it, it will be turned. If it says off, it's not going to show on the left. But then if you click on it again, it should say on. And then from here, you will find the menu on the left. From the menu on the left, you will find the same options that we found. Product analytics, where you can just search for products. And same thing goes there. Okay, if we just go back to our Etsy, we will find the extension here. So with the extension, it's pretty much the same thing. but it's going to be much easier or more accessible, not easier, because you will be able to access it as you are browsing your Etsy.com, and then you will be able to do the same things that you were able to do within the actual EverBee website. So this is much easier. Instead of actually going to your website and then using it over here, you can just use the extension, go to your Etsy.com, and then you should find it on the left. If you don't want it to be there, you can just click off, turn it off, and it's going to be gone from there. It's as simple as that, but it doesn't add anything extra. It's just doing the same thing, but on the move using Etsy.com instead of actually going to EverBee.io. So this is EverBee in a nutshell. It's what's going to help you with your research when it comes to product search, research, shop research, keyword tracking your products, tracking your shop, not just your competitors. See how they're doing and see why they're doing good, so you can kind of understand the winning product and a winning style of shop. So I hope this video helped you, and that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.